In this episode, join us for day 2 of our motor camp at Foxbar Falls, 15 minutes northwest of Stanthorpe.
Right, morning of day 2. Paul's has cooked breakfast. We had bugger all sleep last night. The wind's been, it still is pretty bad.
No bugger all sleep. We had no sleep.
We had no sleep.
No sleep.
No sleep. We've got Paul's has cooked here. Continental breakfast. We've had coffee, bacon and eggs. Sun's out finally.
And after breakfast, we plan to do some exploring, starting with the Sow and Pigs, a granite rock formation overlooking Foxbar Falls.
As long as it doesn't rain, we'll be right. See what's around. It's sunnier today. That's where we came in yesterday. Morning. Pretty nice property, really. It's magic. Like, it's a working farm, and they've got a business renting it out to campers. And there's some beautiful spots here. It's really good. Must be where Paul found his drone. It was right there, no way. Shit. Yeah. At least you got it. That's good. Yeah, yesterday Paul had a flyaway with his drone and it's damaged. Can't use it again, so it's got to go back for repair. Luckily he's got DJI care. More camping spots over here, all powered sites. We're on a non-powered site. A lot of bird life around here. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Cool little property. Arslip Farm. This must be private property, is it? Might be private property, I don't know whether it's supposed to be owned this way. Obviously the farm. Paul's has taken off through it like he owns the place like he normally does. The workshops for the machinery, tractors there. Yeah, interesting. Some more campsites over there. That's on the opposite side of the lake. Dirt road should lead us to Sow and Pigs. Lakes, look at the bird life. Unbelievable. Isn't that beautiful? Great place to camp. Recommend it to anybody. They're really friendly administration here. They're quite open to where you camp, and they've upgraded us a couple of times. We upgraded ourselves this time because we kind of like that little spot on the peninsula. Yeah, look at that. Another field there. Freshly sown by the looks of it. Thought we'd take the bikes for a bit of an explore this morning. Oh yeah, remember that little road? a couple of years ago when we came here. Just over here is the Sow and Pigs, I believe. There we go. Sow and Pigs.
Can't get to the Sow and Pigs. Oh, bike anyway.
You can leave the bikes here and walk, I suppose, if you want. Right, park the bikes, we're off to see the Sow and Pigs, which is a rock formation.
It's sum up the trip so far, Grant?
Yeah, it's been really good. We got wet just before we got into Stanford, which yeah, that was the worst part. But it was only the last half hour or something like that.
Yeah.
And then we went and got a Macca's for lunch, dried out a little bit, and got wet again.
Again. Yeah.
Set up our tents in our
in the wind and bloody
gale
rain.
force winds, which we managed to do.
All in all,
Tents didn't blow away overnight. We got stuff all asleep because
no sleep.
the wind was so strong.
Relentless, high-powered wind.
Yep.
It was just buffeting the whole bloody night. But you know, at the end of the day, it was dry and comfortable. Just noise, you know.
Hopefully tonight's sleep will be a little bit better. Alright, there we go. Bit of a climb.
Yeah, see, I remember this. This was pretty brutal.
These must be our little pigs. Amazing view. Hadiaka.
Remember last time we could actually see the weather coming in on us.
Yeah, we could, yeah. They came in so quickly. We thought we better get going, and then all of a sudden, we were taking shelter under the rocks and we sat there.
The last time Paul and I were here, we actually got caught in a hailstorm that came out of nowhere. It's looking pretty awesome. Listen to that thunderstorm. Check out that storm coming in. I thought it was going to miss us, but I think it's actually coming our way now. You can see which way those clouds are moving. I'm trying to hold the camera still. And we're camped way down there. The wind's picking up. Here comes the rain. I think it's probably time for us to go. Okay, time to go. Let's go, Paul! Needless to say, we got smashed.
The weather moves so quickly out here.
On the back of the pig.
Woo! So where we're camping is actually over the back there. Out there somewhere. That's where the tents are. Yep. Awesome place. Yeah, you can see our tent from there. My little tent is still there. Just hanging in there. Yeah, that's it.
They've got plenty of firewood too, by the way, which you can buy from administration. And just past admin, at the end of the lake, you'll find Foxbar Falls. That's where we're headed next. Foxbar Falls, but no falls running today. Last time there was water covering all these rocks, pretty much. She's pretty dry. Interesting though. Look at that, all that granite. Yeah, unreal, eh? Well, I thought I'd throw the drone up for a quick aerial view. If we're lucky, we might get a glimpse of the Foxbar Yowie. Word is, he's big, black and hairy. Keep your eyes peeled. It's only a short bushwalk down to the falls, but it's quite picturesque, with plenty of things to see along the way.
Ooh, she scraped. Alright, just went for a walk down to Foxbar Falls. There wasn't much water in it. And set the drone up. And going back to camp.
It was only a couple of years ago that Paul and I set up camp down this end of the lake.
Lots of camping spots here. We've got toilet and shower blocks. And yeah, pretty cool. There's Paul's bike. Paul's having a poo, we'll give him a beep. Down to our little camping spot. And this little track here. There it is. Look at that. On our little Lake Edith, they call this one. Not sure whether it's after one of the family members or something. I'm guessing. I don't know. Just a guess. Yeah. Lake Edith. Good little setup, eh?
And most of these campsites too have a granite slab for a table. Pretty cool, hey?
Last night, and we're off home tomorrow.
Weather's a lot nicer now. Just picked up some more firewood. Bit of bird life over there, a few ducks. There's a shag on a rock. No, he likes a shag on a rock. Your mum. Gotta say, it's nice to have some great weather on our last night at Foxbar Falls, and having the full moon just tops it off. Pretty bright moon tonight. Sunrise at Foxbar Falls. Packing up camp today, going home. Paul's just made coffees. She's a bit nippy. A lot of bird life around this morning. There's a cormorant up in the tree. And so after breakfast, it was finally time to pack up. And we made sure we left the campsite exactly as we found it. All right. Sunday morning, we finally packed up.
Finally.
Finally.
Only took us 3 hours.
Oh yeah, it was bloody good, wasn't it? Hey? A freaking awesome camp.
Awesome.
Couldn't ask for a better one. That was
That's true.
really good.
True.
Yeah. Thanks very much. Let's go. Oh, that's Foxbar Falls anyway. Bloody good little camping spot. This person very kindly moved over for us. So. Yeah, working farm that basically caters for camping. Good for motorcycle camping too. Beautiful spot, really good. Good little facilities, and yeah, it was great fun. Do that again. So we were here actually nearly to the day 2 years ago. So yeah, we had to come back. Anyway. That was Foxbar Falls. Alright, let's go. Thanks for watching. Well, thanks for joining us, and I hope you enjoyed our 2-day moto camp at Foxbar Falls. And if you're looking for a good place to camp in southeast Queensland, why don't you call in and check them out? They're only 15 minutes out of Stanthorpe, or about 2.5 hours drive south of Brisbane. It's such a beautiful and unique place and an awesome camping experience. So cheers and thanks for watching.